That suit's dirty.
Oh yeah.
It's like a dead body on the ground. Was that you that crashed?
Yeah, in qualifying earlier.
Oh man, well at least you're looking okay. You're walking around.
Yeah, not too bad.
That's good. What's your name?
Nick McFadden.
Nick, Marcel, Irnie.
Nice to meet you.
You as well, man. Catch up around.
Yeah, you know that class is very competitive as well. I'm glad I'm.
Hey man,
How you doing?
good, good.
Feeling good out there?
I did well in qualifying. Yeah, I qualified 6th with a 54.5.
Unfortunately, I missed it. I was at home taking a nap.
At home taking a nap.
Yes, best way to do it.
It's hot. It's hot. Yeah, so I'm pretty beat now, and I just relax. And tomorrow is race day, right?
Yes, absolutely. Well, it's race day for us in about an hour.
Oh man, yeah, you got to get prepped then.
That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be a lot of fun.
Headed to win it.
I'm running 5th place right now, and I'm hoping to do better in the race. I'll be able to keep up with them.
Nice. What's your fastest time so far?
2:16, about 2:16.246, I believe, somewhere around that.
So you just don't let off then, huh?
Oh no.
On those little bikes, you just hold it pinned?
Most of his track, you think you let off, and you don't.
Do you let off into one? You must.
Into one? Yeah, I let off into one.
And brake hard?
But then after that, it's not
The rest of it, yeah.
The rest of it, no.
So you brake for one and then get on the gas the rest of it.
That's it. And then you just
And
muscle
five,
the bike.
and five.
Just muscle the bike. And then five.
Yeah,
five
that's the only two main ones. And maybe this altitude, switchbacks.
Yes.
Yeah. How are you liking that bike? It's
I'm
super
loving
fun?
it. Yes, I'm loving it.
Yeah, I wish I
it's
had
so
chance.
light and nimble, and it's also got so much power. It's got so much
How much power?
It's got 38 horsepower,
Nice.
which is what I run on my my Ninja 300 and CMRA.
Yeah.
But it's got so much torque. That's the thing about it. It feels so good.
Yeah, that'd be fun. Bar to bar banging, man, and you don't wear your body out too much, so it'd be really fun.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Anyways, man,
Good talking to you.
catch you around.
Let him sit out in the sun.
Okay, let's turn around here. We got bikes in the background. So we just qualified. Were you watching that shit?
Number one, Josh Hayes.
How did you first come across me?
Just from loving motorcycles, watching YouTube.
So
I
did
think
you?
it
What was the
was,
first vid?
I think Downshift 83 or someone referenced you, and so I checked you out and couldn't stop watching because I come down here in Miller and saw you turning laps. And
Nice, nice. Are you local Utah or?
I'm from Idaho, but I come down here and
Okay, let's talk
do
to
some track days and stuff. So
So you don't remember the first video you watched that you're referencing?
it was a video of you on the west side over
Oh,
here.
maybe like a Superbike shootout then.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
Something like that.
Yeah, I enjoyed the Superbike shootout. It was great. That was a great event.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what you were doing because I went down at like 110 on that track, so I was trying to see what you were doing, see if it could help me at all. And
Oh, on the video, yeah, you're using it for reference.
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah, like some sort of training.
I get that a lot, dude. A lot of people, you watch it to figure out the lines, breaking points, everything, right?
Exactly, the breaking points was what I needed.
Sweet.
So, yeah, dude.
Well, man, thanks for watching, dude.
Yeah, it's good to meet you.
Cheers.
Yeah, take care.
For giving me an awesome bike this weekend. I'm having a lot of fun.
And the number one of Josh Hayes. Folks, that'll do it for our Super Bowl. Stay tuned for Superbike races tomorrow on Sunday. And up next is Super Stock 600.
I had fun chasing you out there, Elena. Almost ran into you in quarter 5. You might have heard me on your tail. Oh, I was following you the last lap. The last 2 laps.
Oh,
174, Marcel, Irnie.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. It's great to see you out here. I've enjoyed watching you. I skipped the last few races, but I've been following you on the stream and your social medias and stuff.
Yeah, Marshall,
Yeah, you do a better job than most on your media. Gotta give it to you.
Oh, thank you.
Working hard, huh?
Oh yeah. First time to sit down, that's it.
That's right. I got you on film sitting. What's your name?
Alan Narbonne.
Alan, Marcel Irnie. I'm one of the racers out
How
there.
you doing? Yeah, I see your name out there. How you doing, man?
Yeah, for sure. I'm good. I'm good. All right. Well, I'll continue on. Enjoy the day. Thanks, Alan.
Warm-up lap. Ride around the track as fast as the light. Lollygag around.
Finally found some time to install the GB Racing chain guard. So I marked my holes with the Seattle Tool automatic center punch. Getting here real close. You just give it a push and it shoots like a gun. And that it creates a nice little dimple. So when I drill this, I want it to be drilling straight with the angle, right? Because you only got one shot at this.
Lower and hard.
It's hard to hold steady. What the fuck? It just moved the whole way along. What? That was horrible. Okay guys, so I finally got the drill bit that works. Just had to drill a small test puddle. So the secret of tapping is you tap in and then you go out, but to let the debris fall out and then forward again. So that's it, I'm right through now. So this one, then we'll put the bolt on and I'll drill through the next piece so it can't fall out of place, right? I'll drill through. That's it. GB Racing guard on. A couple of swear words and it's on. That easy. Use Loctite. Alright, that's it. We're in compliance. Alright, well the work never ends, right Freeman?
Right.
It's just you and I. Everyone else quit early. So we gotta do all the final work. So here's this BMW cable that cost $1,000. And then your laptop. Okay. BMW calibration 3. Yes, I accept the risk that I can be injured. I go data, I go read data from control unit. Yes. Now it's grabbing the data. Okay, so here is my fuel table. Here's my engine braking. So right now I have min in first, max, fourth is medium, high, or it's high, and then min. Now, do I want to make any changes? I'm doing fourth gear. I don't really use fourth anywhere. Wait, no, third, I'm doing that, second, third. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let's go over to traction control, wheel control. I don't understand any of this stuff yet. I haven't had time to figure out. Launch control. Speed threshold. See, I don't know what that means, but it's screwing it up. Let's go engine RPM. Let's go higher. Oops, let's just go like 9,000. Let's go 9,000. All right. What do you think speed threshold means?
I have no idea. Probably
of a
when it
launch
like
control.
cuts out.
Threshold is normally like in a cycling term. It's like this is my threshold I can maintain and hold.
Yeah, I would think that it cuts out then at 50 kilometers an hour.
Nah, it wasn't the case. I made it 50 and it made it worse as opposed to like 60 or 70. So let's just forget that. Let's just do RPM 9,000. Shift assistant is 0.72. Pit lane limiter 6,000. Let's drop this to 5,700. Faults. Read fault codes. Engine fan is missing. Okay, I understand that. Deep fault memory, yeah, whatever. Deep fault memory. Okay, so that's about it. Now I go File, Save As.
Not much, just checking out what you're doing.
I'm tapping the caliper banjo and pumping the one-way valve I got here from Speed Bleeder. I'll show you on this side, like this. At the same time as I'm pumping, trying to get all the air, any vibration to get the arrow. At the same time I'm pumping the top.
Yeah, let's take these over. How are you feeling, Marcel?
Test launch that no ran.
How are you feeling?
Well,
test launch it from here. When everybody goes.
Just pay attention to that TOPC.
Yeah, that's going on. Test launch it from here.
Yeah, that's right.
You've got orange behind you on your left. And you've got Factory Aprilia in the back. Crashed. It's I think it's the European team, 63.
So the grid for race one, Josh Hayes in pole position ahead of Bobier, his teammate, then Roger Hayden and the Yoshimura Suzuki. Sheridan Marias out-qualifies Jake Gagne in super stock to take fourth. Lewis on the outside of the second row. Josh Day, Phil Moore and Danny Eslick make up the third row. Then it's Taylor Knapp, Bernard Martinez and Mark Eccles in 12th position. O'Hara, Narbonne and Chris Ulrich. About to get underway then for race one. Sizzling conditions. Hayes gets a bobble off the line, but he's away. Great start from Jake Lewis from the second row on the Yoshimura Suzuki. Superb start by him. And he's going to take the whole shot, is he? He dives into turn one.
He runs a little wide there.
Oh, does go a little wide, and it's Hayes who picks it up at the front. Hayden got a good start too. He's ahead of Bobier. Bobier did not get away off the start. Amazingly though, Hayes had a little bobble there just as they left the line, but he recovered very well indeed to go on board with the youngster Cameron Bobier.
Yeah,
Monster Energy Great
Cameron right now, he's got to pull it out. He's sitting in fourth seat. Here he goes. He's going right up the inside. Oh my God, they all run in there. Yeah, it looked like Suzuki's got in there hot, and Cameron kind of snuck up the inside. See if he can hold it. He runs right around the outside there.
So can Yoshimura Suzuki get on level terms with the great Yamahas? Bobier definitely catching his teammate Hayes now. The pair of them pulling away now from the others. No, big off. Whoa, dust flying up there. That was fast. It looks like, yeah, it is. Marcel Irnie on the BMW qualified 16, but he's okay.
Yeah, that was nice.
Water pack for that. Water pack. That launch control didn't work at all. But it didn't work on the warm-up lap. I fucking disaster.
You hit the curbing, huh?
And then the bike got air, and then it just kept going, and then eventually low-sided hard, fast. The bike was overheating the whole time on the track too. It was running at 111, and I didn't have any power. I was like not making any ground on anybody on the straightaway, even in the draft. I don't know why it was running that hotter now than ever before at 111. So I'm like, why is the power gone? It all just went bad from the bad start with the launch control to corner 1 and 2, and then I tried to made a few positions back, and then gas tank, the throttle, the dash, it's all fucked. It's all the fuel out right now. So
gas tank, throttle, dash, whole thing.
So yeah, we need to get fronts checked, obviously.
So what are we doing here, Marcel?
Trying to get Franz ready in a scramble.
So what happened?
Neo got hit by a bullet. He was taken out.
Ooh, a little bit of a off there.
He didn't dodge the curbing. Franz Sunoco final. Franz Sunoco final. That was from Nels. I'm better off going back to Nels map.
Yes, we are.
That guy didn't.
Better off going to the
Original, and then I'll just lean it out 5 points. Okay. I'm gonna grab 60% throttle, 5,000 up.